How to see when a TikTok account was created. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So there are basically two ways to see when a TikTok account was created. First is going to your Gmail application. As you go to your Gmail application, search for TikTok over here. Search for TikTok business accounts team. And as you tap on it, you can see the duration or the date when you joined or when you created your TikTok account. Okay, next, what is the method is to go to your TikTok application. Now this process might not be suitable or not be correct for all the people, so all you have to do is just go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the very first post that you have posted on TikTok. Now just tap on the three lines over here and then you'll be able to see the options over here. You can also tap on the upper side of this one, like tap on the comments, and here you'll be able to see that this was posted 2 days ago or when it was posted. So generally the published date is the date when you have created your TikTok account, but it might not be true for every case. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.